Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start now. On your iPhone, open Settings and enable Personal Hotspot. This shares cellular data as a Wi-Fi network. You do this because the phone becomes a router, so set a secure password to prevent unauthorized use. Once done, make sure cellular data is on and you know the network name. Meanwhile, on your laptop, turn Wi-Fi on and view available networks. You're preparing both ends so they can discover and authenticate each other quickly. Now connect. Click your iPhone's SSID in the laptop's Wi-Fi list and type the hotspot password exactly. Capitalization matters. If you prefer Bluetooth, pair the devices. Pairing creates a trusted link and is useful when Wi-Fi is congested. For USB tethering, plug a Lightning to USB cable into the laptop and choose the iPhone as a network adapter in network settings. This gives faster and more stable throughput. Each method authenticates differently, so pick the one that matches your needs and power constraints. Finish by verifying you have internet. Load a web page and run a quick speed check. Also monitor your iPhone battery because hotspots drain power. If the laptop can't reach the internet, try disconnecting and reconnecting the hotspot or toggle personal hotspot off and on to reset the handshake. If problems persist, restart both devices. This clears temporary glitches and confirm your carrier allows tethering on your plan. Carriers sometimes block or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.